back. So today we're going to be doing a pistols only challenge in Zombs Royale. Now before you say I copied one of my fans, I actually said that we were going to do a pistols only challenge and they did it first, so it's actually our idea, so stop. I did not copy my fans. Anyways, let's get into it. This is a Zombs Royale pistols only. You're going to be hearing some background noise because my computer's fan decided it was a good idea to turn it on. But let's get into it. Hope you enjoy it. So, basically a pistols only challenge, if you don't know, is when you use nothing but a pistol, meds, and potions, and grenades that don't do any damage. So basically, you can't use anything like that. So we are going to drop Lucky Lake. Oh no, okay, let's go Treehouse then. Again, you cannot hear my friend because you guys haven't been hitting the subscribe button for some stupid reason. We need 30 subscribers before you can hear my friend's voice. And you want to hear his voice, I'm just saying, you want to hear his voice. Dang it, oh my god, I can't use that. I want to use that so bad, but whatever. It is what it is. I still haven't found a pistol. Let's get this ammo. I can't find a pistol. That's not a pistol. Can't use that. Yo, could you give me a pistol? Yo, give me a pistol, bro. Give me a pistol. You have 2 pistols. Here, thank you. Okay, so I got a pistol. Yes, yeah, I just stole your kill. Yes, okay, so I got 1 kill with the pistol. Let's go. Can we get, dang it, Magni, heal me, yes, sir. Okay. Let's go to, let's go to south, like the bottom of Lucky's. Can't use that, then I can get the med kit. I'm gonna use the med kit real quick. Yeah. Okay, so I got 100 health. Dang it, this stupid zone. Okay, I'm out of the zone. There's someone here. I'm just gonna run away because that's how we do it. That's how we do it with the pistols on me. I should just run away. Someone show up. Alright, where are we going now? We can use those grenades. Yes, we can. Because they don't do damage. And those grenades don't do damage. If you didn't realize. Oh dang it, I wish I could use that. That's one of my favorites. Dang it. See, when you can't use the good stuff, that's when you get the good stuff. I mean, it's just my luck, whatever. 13 people left, 12 now. Wait. Oh my god, you portal, but I can't portal. Oh my god. The portal stopped working right when he went. I hate it when that. Okay, well, I died and I got killed by Kobe. R.I.P. Kobe Bryant. That's fine. Let's see what you can do. I'm gonna pretend that I'm commentating. Whoa! Dang it! Well, we got 5th place. You know what? Considering everything that we use, we just use the 1 pistol. I use 1 thing the whole game and a med kit. 5th place is really good, considering all of that. I'm very happy with 5th place. So, again, you guys should do Pistols Only Challenge. Send us it in the comments below so we can react to it. That is gonna be it for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment what we should do next. Send us your Pistols Only Challenge videos so we can react to it and post it on our channel. You can be featured on the channel and on our Discord by sending it to us through our fan Discord in the description below. Goodbye, and thank you for watching.